Welcome to Tech with Amir. In this video, we are going to learn how to work with Excel files in ChatGPT. So here's my file that is called customer data. In it has two sheets. So one is called customer, another one is called product. If we look at the customer sheet, it has a customer ID, name, cities, and product, and amount spent. Now, what we would like to do with the ChatGPT, I would like to add a new column called state and country right next to it. You can do so much, and I will show you some other options. Maybe we'll do running total here, and maybe do summary at the end. We can do all those different things in ChatGPT. Next, we have this product sheet here, and it has product and description. If you notice here, I have this product column as well here. I would like to do the lookup with this product sheet and then bring the description to the main sheet right here. Also, we would like to create maybe some charts and then export to the new sheet, maybe called pie chart or sale or something like that. We will do that as well. So let's go ahead and play with this and see how to do all those kind of things with the ChatGPT. I'm gonna just delete this. First of all, I will attach this file from the computer. Once the file is uploaded, then we will start giving the prompts. Now customer file is here. Okay, our file is uploaded. First of all, I would like to know how many sheets I have. Can you let me know the sheet names on attach Excel? Okay, so first of all, we are looking forward for having sheet names. We just gave the prompt here, and now it's analyzing. We can see that it has the two sheets, customer and product sheet. So that's great that it did recognize both of them very well. Now it is asking me, hey, show data from the customer sheet or show data from the product sheet. So we can type it here, or we can simply click here. It's going to help us show all the data from those Excel sheets. Here is our customer data. What I'm going to do, I'm going to expand this table here so we can write on the left and see the table on the right. So you see that it has customer name, city, product, and all that, and then I have amount spent. Now what I want to add two more columns. So add state name and country name column right next to city. Okay, so it should add two more columns here, and the one should be state name and then other should be country name. Okay, here is our updated customer data with state and country. Now we can take a look. We have a city, New York and New York State, and then we have Los Angeles and California as a state, and we have added the country name as well, that's USA. And Dallas, this could be in North Carolina as well, but I was expecting this to be in the Texas. So as there could be this could be a problem for any data actually. If you have the Las Vegas is in Nevada, yes it is, but there is a Las Vegas in New Mexico as well. So, and it is in Charlotte in California. So Charlotte is in, see, High Point, that's where High Point is. It's maybe there is no High Point and in any other states, and it gets it right. So I will say Charlotte is in also North Carolina, but Dallas, like, you know, is messed up. Maybe this this was supposed to be here and all that, so but it didn't do the right thing. So we can say that, hey, guess what, I just gave a little hint, so if it can correct. But as I said, that there could be possibility you have the same cities in the different states. That's possible. It's not going to be like always not possible. As I said, that Las Vegas is in Nevada, Las Vegas is in New Mexico as well. I know that those places for sure by myself. Okay, now it added those information, and we also corrected information. But in case you feel like I will say, it always say that ChatGPT can make mistakes. Check important information. So go for it. Okay, now that's right. Now what we want to do, I want to add a running total right next to it. So add running total at the last column, and total amount spent at the end of all rows. Okay, so once we give this information, it's gonna work more on creating those columns and rows for us, and let's see how that goes. And here is the running total. We have 1200, then we have added 800, then make it 2000, then we have 300, 2300. So running total is coming fine as well. Till now we've been working only on the customer data sheet. We haven't done anything with the product sheet. So now I'm going to tell this ChatGPT to get the data from the product sheet. Okay, let's take a look on our description, and here is the description. So we can see that it has added the description. So last was made by China, made Thailand, made Dell. So we can take a look if you want. We can go back here, open our Excel here, and then from there we can see if the information is correct. So you can see that the printer and mouse looks good, and yeah, looks fine. So it means I did do the right lookup, and no problem. We could have actually missed a couple of them and see what it does, but I have already data loaded, so you can try that out. Now we have all this. Here you can do multiple things. Let's say we have states now, and we want to create a chart, total amount spent in each state. So awesome. Here is our pie chart ready, and it says the total amount spent by state, and you can see that it is showing us in the percentage and all that. But we would like to see the actual amount as well. So here is our Arizona, North Carolina, Texas, and all that. Hey, guess what? I would like to see a total amount as well, not okay. So now it should show us a new chart, and that should be including the actual amount. Okay, great. Yeah, so it is bringing us here. This is total amount, and this Arizona, California, Nevada, and all that. So you can see all that information now. Okay, which one is this New York 50? Which one is I don't know actually. Which state is 50% that you are showing? I can't tell. So guess what? You made a mistake. That's why it says that ChatGPT can make mistake. Check important information. So now we know that why this is right there. So we need to take a look. So I think we are not also given good prompts. So that could be one scenario, because if you say show spending trend across all states, you highlight top cities by total spend. So if you give a better prompt, so you're gonna have a better result. So now, but anyways, we figure it out. So now we have all the states here. We have percentage, we have dollar amount, and all that. Now let's call it a day. Okay, export customer. I'm gonna say updated customer. Okay, product and pie chart to Excel, so I can download. I can download. I don't have to tell like for future analysis or all that. It should just create Excel for us, so we can just download and work on it. You can create a bar chart, you can create more things, whatever you want to do. And here is your Excel. Okay, here is our file. Let's open it and take a look if it does make sense or not. I have very old version of Excel, so maybe it will not display the things right. But anyways, this is your name, state, and then you have country and the product, and here is your spending. There is your running total. There's the description came from this sheet called product. So this came from here. That's great. And now you have total here, that's in dollars, and here's your pie chart. That looks good. So this is how you will work with your Excel data in ChatGPT. I hope this video will help. And honestly, like I don't work on Excel too much, so my prompts might not be that accurate. But once you learn one way, then you can save your prompts and just paste it there, and every time it will create the same thing for you. I thank you very much for watching my video. Please subscribe my channel, and I will see you guys in the next video.